So now I got the baby out of the room, we can focus on the box. So it's a red floral box. It's got lizards on there as well, and it's got like hummingbird. Oh my god, and it's like diamante, look. So cute. So this is the back, and I'm gonna open it. Ooh. So first off, we have a Birchbox custom exclusive, save 50% off at Virgin Wines. And then we have another leaflet. Let's take this leaflet out. Let's see. Okay, let's leave the leaflet and just get into it. Okay, so first we have Cabello Foundation of Beautiful Hair Clarifying Shampoo. I really like a clarifying shampoo for my locks sometimes, so this would be quite handy. Deep cleanse and rejuvenates your hair, and as you exfoliate your skin, you should exfoliate your hair. The clarifying shampoo deep cleanses and rejuvenates, leaving hair revived, and gives your hair the treatment it deserves. Definitely gonna try this out. This is what it looks like. The Cabello. So that's that one. Let's see if this paper don't want to come out today. It's actually like it wants to get stuck at the bottom. So it says Matthew Williamson, Little Life, Life's Little Treasures. Okay, so this is from a December box. It says a December Birchbox. And this Cabello shampoo regular retail price was $13.95, and definitely gonna try this out. They say you can use it once or twice a month to sweep away the product buildup and to purify your scalp for a deep time clean. And it's good for stressed out strands, and they will be restored. Your hair will feel even soft and shiny. So yeah, definitely gonna try this out. Not sure if it's the normal size or if it's a sample, but yeah, this is that. Next we have this little thing right here. Looks cute. It's like a silver packaging with blue. This is the Icy Magic Instant Eye Contour Eye Energizer. And regular price is £22. And it says you might be trying your best to bounce back from a late night, but tired eyes will always give the game away. And this cool-in roll-on provides much needed refreshment to sleepy peepers, and it's help to tone and brighten with a healthy dose of Siberian ginseng. So they said to squeeze it and roll it on the inner and outer corner of your eyes for instant rejuvenation. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out because I have 3 kids, so I need to always look awake, if you know what I mean. So yeah, thank you guys, Birchbox, for this. I really definitely like the shampoo, and I'm definitely gonna be trying out this. Next is a product from Rituals, and this is a full-size product, they said on here. So I guess the others was just samples, and this says the Rituals of Arivide. Oh, I don't know how to say it. Oh my god. Foaming shower gel is normally £4.50, so this is £4.50 for this size, and it's transforming from a rich gel into a foam on contact with water. And this stuff is sure to add a little magic to the morning shower, infused with sweet almond oil and fragrant Indian rose. It's inspired by ancient body rituals, and it delivers a soft, skin softening clean with a beautiful scent that lingers past shower. So I'm definitely intrigued. I love showers, you know, quick stuff, you know, sometimes in the morning. And this one's got Indian rose and almond flower and almond oil. So I'm here for those sweet kind of rosy smells. I can't wait to try this. I'm definitely going to try this tonight, and I'm going to definitely use my night cream or my eye energizer. Come on. I see a Pixie product. Oh my god. Pixie full size shea butter lip balm in Pixie pink. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. I've got Pixie eyeliner on right now, and it is so good. It's so black. One of the blackest blacks I've ever seen. So I can't wait to try this out. It says it is normally £8, and it If you're looking for a liquid that adds just the right amount of color without compromising on nourishment, we found the solution. And so this hydrating balm is brimming with skin friendly ingredients like shea butter and vitamin E to take care of the lips, and with flattering nude pink shade that adds a wash of pretty pigment. I can't wait to try this. Definitely gonna put this on while I'm going to bed. You know, trying to look cute while I sleep. Okay, and lastly, we have a Birchbox exclusive, a Spectrum collection brush. Oh my days. I'm reading without even looking at it because I'm so excited. I can't believe I got a Spectrum brush. Okay, and it's an angled blender brush. It looks like this. I'm going to leave it in the packaging. But let's take it out and just feel the tip. Ooh, super soft. Very fluffy. And it said not only does this makeup brush complement the December Birchbox beautifully, it's the exclusive tool for creating a festive eye look and the perfect size to shape and fit the contour of your eyes. This synthetic brush can be used with powder or cream shadows to shade and define your eyelids for a foolproof smoky eye or a simple wash of color. I've already done a smoky eye today, but I use just normal like Real Techniques brushes, but I definitely like to try it out with brushes, you know. And it says this is $4.99, so the Spectrum brushes are quite cheap, I guess, so I definitely give them a try. It's a nice black and gold detail brush, so it's very cute. Thank you guys, I really love this box. I think everything in here is worth more than the box as well. Then, you know, all of these boxes, both of these boxes are worth more than the price of this box. And I'm very, very excited. Thank you so much, Birchbox, for this exclusive free box in this month's April box for me. I don't know, maybe other people got them as well, but I'm so excited and I wanted to share it with you guys. But if you'd like to see me do more unboxings and stuff like that, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to see another one. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.